Effendi.
It's a perfect day for some mayhem.
We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat!
Who's here? Come on, come on, come on! I hate waiting.
Oh, someone left again.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
This bomb's for you.
Yeah, got World Congress. What the hell?
So have you made new friends in your new workplace, or are you still hanging out with Malaysians less Singaporeans?
I mean, I'm generally hanging out with Malaysians in Singapore, the Singaporeans.
Why the white people too white lah?
No, the white people got their own stuff. See?
You scared I will blow them up.
You try to scrub your skin lah and become whitewash Malay.
Especially now with the fasting season, I barely move one.
Oh yeah, you don't have to go out.
Now arriving at Ilus.
Elios.
What the fuck?
Prepare to attack.
They need a healer that works like a killing floor, shooting syringes out.
Wait, there's no way of scolding Venice for buying over a city state.
You're playing safe
Yeah.
Holding. I don't think so.
Yeah. I mean, I'm trading with the city state, then suddenly this fucker go buy off the filler for me.
Just war him straight lah.
I am ready to roll.
So odd
Do I have an
So many people
have an
playing. So many people playing Junkrats now. Thought no one plays him one.
What turn are you on?
3,
139
1.
Oh,
Round
did you just start or continuation?
continuation. I'm playing like 1 hour a day or something like that. Motherfucker! Wait. I had 25 happiness, only 7.
It is gone. You know, after the gods and kings update, right, I forgot. I don't know how to play these anymore.
Anyone else want some?
Because you almost have to play tradition.
Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah, I'm just lazy. I'm stuck in a corner right now, so. Fuck you, Dolo. I attack you. Yes, gunpowder next turn. Please, yes.
So how do you play safe? Do you go tradition?
No, this one I go Liberty and spam cities.
How do you keep your happiness intact?
I don't know, I keep my secondary cities at 6.
Also, they are just satellites. Your main grows uncontrollably.
My main one grows uncontrollably.
So what does the other
you
do after 6?
Most of the city will stay at 6. Some of them I will grow them, depending. Like there's a high production city that particularly I'll grow that one, and high food city also I'll grow that one, so that one can carry all the specialism.
Oh,
I usually have 3 very high population, and the rest is 6. Usually like that. But this fucker took my happiness already. Stop growing so much. Gunpowder. I can liberate Malacca, right? Yeah.
You hear that? Let's get you. Raising the volume.
I don't get why in this game the capital has the highest potential to
Oh,
be stolen
what?
from.
Fuck! Lost connection to game server.
So